Welcome to the fundamental journey into mastering budgeting, the basics. Your handbook to becoming proficient in budgeting and paving your way towards the dream of owning a house. This module will equip you with the foundational principles of budgeting, forming the cornerstone for your financial triumph. Let's delve into the significance of budgeting in empowering you to take charge of your finances. Realistically speaking, you're a natural shopper, just like most us. However, your financial resources may not be limitless to foot all your spending whims. This is precisely where budgeting steps in. Encourages foresight and anticipation, all while curbing impulsive purchases that your future self might regret. Formulating a budget is your documented pledge to your financial ambitions. It's your compass guiding you towards your dream fulfillment. With a robust budget in action, you'll have a clear understanding of where every penny of your hard-earned money flows, thereby simplifying your journey to financial mastery. So let's plunge into the basics of budgeting, marking the start of your journey towards financial fitness and realizing your home ownership aspirations.